Maya. He's so cute. I've never seen him this cute in my life. Oh, hi. Hi, sweet baby. Next haul. For this one, we got Parra X Tired. I just filmed the Talking Terps haul. So, yeah. Let's jump right into it. Rip it open. Roar. Right, Maya? What do we got? This is a bigger haul, so I'm excited for this one too. My favorite designer, Parra. And then I didn't even realize he does like a bunch of the designs for this company called Tired Skateboards, a skateboard company. So yeah. And I ordered from this new store, so I got extra 10% off, and the items were already on sale, I think. So got some good discounts in there, which is always nice, always fun, good thing to have. Yes. First, I got these Tired tumblers. Ooh, they packaged them very, very nice with the Parra designs, since he does the designs for Tired. And they're just like really nice glass cups. I like these. These are sick. I'm gonna probably use these for water today even. So I have a nice matching set. The other one with like a lion dude on it, and this one with like, or a tiger and a lion. Sleepy dudes. I like the designs, super cool. I kind of was expecting like crazier designs, but oh well, I love like the shape of the cups anyways, so. Very nice, definitely worth it. I like that for sure. It's kind of like a can shape in a way, I don't know. But the designs are sick anyways. Cool, a nice like collectible piece. I can like feel fancy when drinking wine. Like, I like fancy cups, you know? And I always need water, so. I used to use like plastic water bottles, and that's just such a waste. Next. Oh yeah! Oh. This is also Tired? No, it's Parra. But I guess it's it's Parra and Tired. Ooh. Because it comes with, oh, wait. No, this is just one of the stickers from the sticker set. Unless this came with this one, but it has the tag, so. I thought the sticker set would, like, come in, like, a little bag, but I guess not. We have the Parra. Hey, what the heck? I thought it was supposed to say, oh, here's the Parra logo, because you can fold it into here. I thought the Parra logo was like on the bag. Dang, oh. That's kind of strange how it doesn't have the tag on it though. It doesn't have the original Parra tag. I wonder if I should complain about that. It does have their own tag here. They made their own tag. But I wonder what happened to the actual tag. Someone must have returned this, because they probably thought it was like a canvas bag, but it's actually like a more of like a nylon bag, so it's not as like nice of a tote, but it's huge, because I guess you'd want like more of like that like canvas material for a tote, but I still love it. Like this like ripstop material, it's huge, won't get dirty, it'll be like waterproof. It has this like the nice Tired design. I don't know why. I guess it's his designs. He can use them wherever he wants. Because it's literally, I didn't even realize, but it's pretty much the same design as this tiger. So that's cute. And Parra, it's packable. So you can use the packable part as a pocket if you want to. Or you can just like pack it into there. So super fire. Hi Maya. What do we got next? Here's my receipt. Receipt goes over there. And then they sent me a thank you card. Enjoy your Tired and Parra. The Momentum Crew. They nicknamed themselves Mo, I guess. That's interesting. Ooh, Tired. Long. I just got a large because I wasn't sure about the size. I wanted to check out the size. It is pretty oversized, but I feel like it'll shrink anyways because I think it's 100% cotton. I don't see the materials. This one doesn't have the original yeah, this one doesn't have an original tag either. Weird. So we got Tired, large, wobble tee. This one I got a good deal on. It was like 50% off. I love Parra's designs. Like, look at these beautiful wobble designs, and you can see even more close-ups at the end of my videos. I do previews and try-ons also, so I'm gonna have to try on all this stuff after. Love that design. Seems like it's a pretty good print too. I don't know if they, I don't think they use water-based ink. I'm not sure, because I know Parra does use the water-based ink. Super fire though. Love this. Just like a nice classic white long sleeve. It's a little bit bigger than I thought, because you never know what to expect for sizing. That's why I just went for the large. Oh my, you're so cute. Same for this tee. I just went for the large, and it looks kind of oversized. What the heck? There's like, oh, never mind. It's a fluff. I thought it was dirt. This one's kind of oversized too, but I just went for the large to make sure, to be safe, and I like an oversized fit anyways. But I think I'm usually medium, but at the same time, if I want it to be oversized, I can't even speak. I will get the large just to make sure, because sometimes mediums will just be way too tight. And just like what happened with my pair of swim shorts, there's a hole from the security tag. Yo, so I'm gonna have to message this company. Why do companies keep ruining clothing by doing that? A hole from the security tag. So I'm gonna have to message the company and ask for an extra discount on that, because that's just stupid. Yeah, it's pretty big though. So I don't know. I think I should just stick to medium from now on. But it always happens where I'm like, oh, I'll stick to medium. I order a medium, and then it's like crazy small fitting, and it's like, what the hell? I love this detergent. I'm super into like laundry and everything, so I love Parra's like detergent design with the tired. Super fire and large. This one actually has the original tag at least. So in my complaint, I'm gonna mention hole, missing tags. And they forgot all my stickers. They sent me one of the sticker. Oh. It says sticker set, but then I'm pretty sure on like the website it's F22 sticker, so it's one sticker. $5 for a single sticker, and it's not even one of the ones that I would have wanted. Like, I wanted the other ones. That's just so dumb. Yo, I'm actually mad. So whole missing tags, and they only sent me one sticker from the set. That's so stupid. I will not be ordering from this website ever again, and I don't recommend it. That's all for the haul, though. You're gonna have to I'm gonna put it in the video now to go try them on and do the preview. So yeah, look at that lazy husky. That's a tired little husky over there, if I've ever seen one. Oh yes, we have our haul all ready to go, ready to try on. Now I need to go be a Karen and rip customer support and tell them give me free stuff or discounts for being stupid. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Tired, sleepy Parra dog. Good night. Oh, they need a husky.
Number on that bottle.
Let's try.
Oh my god,
this
this fucking move.
on first. The brand.
You should have one.
And I even got an extra discount on this since there was a security tag hole.
189.
Am I doing this right?
Ooh, it's
Doesn't
perfect.
like a puzzle.
I thought it was gonna be too big, a
Oh,
bit
this
too
didn't
big,
have
but
one. Fuck,
it
unlucky.
fits perfect. What the hell?
189 what?
I don't know if this is because I had it like crinkled up, but it's like
Like a space reader.
the print is like folded right there. It's
There's
like
only
messed
one
up.
left, and I guess it's this one, but I didn't see any numbers on it.
No,
Is this-
Man, also one of the time.
It's actually a perfect fit.
No,
This is
his
the exact
torso's
fit
back.
I love. Medium would have been tight. Medium would have been like too tight. Damn.
I don't really see. He's just played it once, and I don't know what happened.
This is place.
Why is it like so crinkled?
Oh, no.
I think it's because
Do not light anything.
I had
Oh
it
wait,
crinkled laying down.
Mark's about to light something.
And like what's wrong with the tag?
Don't light anything. I am stuck in a giant gas chamber.
Mark really wants to light it.
Tell him no. If you can like talk him out of it. No.
Oh, there's someone coming behind you. Mark, don't do it.
Okay, next T.
hell is that? It's one of the. Wait.
Can you slap the lighter out of his hand?
I love Parra's designs too.
He's gonna fly. What do we do?
Piet Parra.
Do I
or
flip
how-
the switch or
is
not?
that his name? Piet Parra or Parra Piet?
No, that sounds
Ooh,
stupid.
this large
You
fits
sure?
perfect too. It's just a bit
Okay.
long on the
I'm burning.
torso, but I bet it'll shrink a bit, so
Switch
it's
is
actually
always good.
perfect.
Alright, I flipped it.
If we don't do something, Charlie's dead.
time.
No,
Right, Maya? Do you like this
It's
t-shirt?
not a game. I don't trust it.
See, this
What? I
is the
just
one that
pulled
didn't have
it.
an original
Hang in
tag.
there.
We're gonna get it. Size.
I don't know. Mark's right.
Someone said you glitched it.
What? Yeah, what the fuck just happened? What? What just
Really
happened?
nice print and just like nice
I don't know.
color.
I'm burning alive.
You
I don't
like
know
it?
if you can see me.
I fucking
it'll
pulled
shrink
it.
obviously when I wash it.
Is
So.
pulling it the thing that you're meant to do?
Yeah, but he was acting like I didn't.
And
pull
then
it,
my bag.
which means I must not have pulled it. I
No,
no, the not.
Right.
I never. That's one of the things.
What?
Like, even like reading. I believe it. Someone changed my channel and said it as well. Immediately. They pre-warned us, remember? I said,
Oh, true, they did. Oh, yeah, they actually said that. You're absolutely right.
about, like, all these bugs we come up in QA.
I mean, they could just easily push this to next year, no problem, and kept Corey the way it was, so that game was fine.
Yeah. They didn't release this pool.
It's up to you.
I'm just on my screen.
Are you with me right now in the pool?
You like the bag?
Who are you playing as right now?
Tayside.
Oh, yeah.
We may have had our differences, but I am disposed to forget them. That is very generous of you, sir. No, truly.
I got trucker, I dive in that pussy, mix it up like pasta, she fucking my